For some reason you decided to learn Lithuanian. I have to warn you, it will be hard. But if you still want to continue, let's start from the beginning, which is greetings. When you want to say hi to somebody, you would say labas. The important thing in this word is to pronounce the sound really openly. Labas. For the moment, don't worry about the spelling, don't worry about anything, just try to make the same sounds, because the trick will be getting the correct sounds, because there are a lot of them that are different from English. Okay, so you say labas. When you want to find out how the person is doing, how are you, is basically kaip sekasi. The first word is harder, really kind of hard. You have to pronounce kaip. It's kind of an explosion. Kaip sekasi. The second word sounds a bit like sexy, just the pronunciation is different. So it might help you remember. Kaip sekasi. Open your mouth more and exaggerate. Then you would reply gerai. We have a rolling R in Lithuanian, which doesn't exist in English, and therefore you have to practice it. To create the sound, you would have to push the air out and move the tongue with your air. So the tongue is hitting the upper palate, the upper part of your mouth. So let us try. Rrr, rrr. It's pretty fun, right? Rrr. So you're just hitting your tongue on the upper part of your mouth. You would say gerai. Obviously in Lithuanian we don't exaggerate the sound as much. We just say gerai, but the sound that we produce, R, is that rolling R. You would say kaip sekasi, gerai. You could also reply puikiai, which also means great. Puikiai. Try it. Puikiai. This is a pretty easy one, it's just trickier to remember it. Whenever you try to remember a new word, try to make some kind of association with your language. That's the easiest way. Next, you would probably want to find out what is your name. To say that, you would say koks tavo vardas. Again, the first word is easy to remember because in English there is a word that sounds exactly the same, just has a very different meaning. Again would be koks tavo vardas. The R, notice that it's again a rolling R. It's always a rolling R in Lithuanian. Koks tavo vardas. Just try practicing it. Koks tavo vardas. The reply would be, you could just simply say your name, Elena, or you could say aš, which is I am. I am. Aš, you could remember this word by remembering hush. Sounds similar, it's just an association. Aš, Elena. Then you could probably ask where the person is from. Most likely you will get this question. Iš kur tu? The first word, the sh is sh, like shop. Iš kur, again the rolling R, tu, you. Where are you from? Iš kur tu? Iš kur tu? You would reply with your nationality. So for an American would be aš, Again, aš amerikietis, or aš anglas, aš italas. This is for a guy. For a girl would be aš amerikietė, aš anglė, aš italė. Sorry, I just chose these three nationalities. You can find the others on internet. So, when you said you introduced yourself, you would probably like to say goodbye. There are two ways of saying goodbye, two most oftenly used ways of saying goodbye. See you later is ikke, 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 and goodbye is ata, ata, ata.